Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys just a few tips, tricks, hacks that I've learned, and like I said, I figured I'll share them with you guys. You may already know some of these hacks or tricks. If you do, let me know down in the comments, but I know for me it's 2021 and I personally want to learn how to keep my house cleaner better and how to clean my house better. So yeah, I figured share the information, right? Today is also a special video because it's in collaboration with another YouTube mama that I love to watch, Kane from Kane in Real Life. But yeah guys, I'm gonna let her introduce herself right here.
Hi guys, my name is Kane and I am a mom of 3, a fiance, and an educator by day. My channel, Kane in Real Life, includes content such as cleaning motivation. I also include shopping hauls and decorate with me videos, whether it's seasonal or just decorating around the house. You will also find tons of organization videos, as well as videos that include me and my family of 5. So if that's your thing, when you're done here, come on over and check me out.
And if you're coming from Kane's channel or you just randomly clicked on this video to learn some cleaning tips, hi, my name is Sandra King. I'm a military wife and a stay-at-home mom to 3 kids. Wait, 3, not 6. And I would love you to hit the subscribe button and join our family, the Kings. I make all different types of content, from cleaning motivational videos to grocery hauls to clothing hauls, a whole bunch of day in the life mommy vlogs. So if that's not like content that you would be interested in, please again hit that subscribe button, please. It helps grow my channel and I would love for your support. But without further ado, let's just get into these cleaning tips. So here's how the grout in my kitchen look. It's pretty dirty, and as you see, as you get back there, it gets white because it's like nobody really goes over there but Ken. But yeah, this is pretty dirty, and let me show you. This is what I'm going to use to clean the bathroom with. Is this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. It has peroxide, well, hydrogen peroxide in it, and 0 bleach, so it shouldn't mess up the grout. It shouldn't mess up the grout. So yeah, let's do that now. All right, so as you can see, it's not horrible right here, but it's horrible right here. So I'm definitely gonna do, like, I don't know, we're gonna see, I'm gonna do most of this all over here, and then I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes and scrub it afterwards. So once I put this down in the area that I wanted to clean, I let it sit for about 30 minutes before I gave it a good scrub. And then once I was done scrubbing, I literally just wiped it up with a rag and some warm water, and as you can see, it's definitely a big difference. Alright guys, so here is how that came out. I mean, it looks better than before. You can see that area wasn't done, but this area was. Also tried the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide trick, and that seems to work better on my floors. Let me show you guys. So right now I'm just trying to get the baking soda and the peroxide to a certain consistency. You don't want it to be too thin, you don't want it to be too thick. So yeah, I made it really thick the first time and it got the job done, but it was a mess cleaning it up. So again, you don't want it to be too thick or too runny. Alright, so I'm gonna do this area right here. Like I said, this is how the tile, I guess, supposed to look. So and that, it probably could look brighter than that, but this part is dirty, so I'm just going to do this and then compare it to this side, just to give y'all like an idea how clean it gets it. Okay, so here's the consistency that I went with, and you want to just line it up on the grout like so and let it sit for about 45 minutes, I want to say. I had the kids, so I really wasn't even paying attention, but definitely no more than an hour. So, and then you could just give it a scrub, and as you can see, it's already like coming up white. So, and it gets even whiter once it's fully dried. So here's the spot I just did with the baking soda and the hydrogen peroxide, and that's like I said, that was already there. And then let me show you a dirty spot. That's dirty. So it definitely made it look better, and it'll probably be just as white as this once it dries. So let's come back over even more to the part I did earlier that's dried, and I mean that still looks way better. So, you know, just do whichever one you feel like you want to do. This is the toilet bowl cleaner, and then this is the baking soda with the hydrogen peroxide, which is a little bit more messier. So, you know, pick your poison. Alright, so here are 2 things that you can use to get your bathroom and your toilet smelling amazing. And I'm going to use these Downy Unstoppables down here, and I'm going to use this Downy fabric softener upstairs, and I'll let you know which one I like the best. Alright guys, wait 5 minutes and flush your toilet. And oh my goodness, it smells really good in here. Now let me go downstairs and see how that smells. Alright guys, I waited for like 5 minutes, and yeah, this smells really good. So just to let y'all know, I personally like the Unstoppables in the toilet bowl thing better than the fabric softener. The Unstoppables just gives off like a powerful scent, where the fabric softener takes just a little bit more time to kick in. It's a little bit more subtle, but the bathroom still smells good. So just, you know, when you're picking which one you want to do, you want a very strong scent, do the Unstoppables. It's not strong in a bad way. Like, it smells amazing as soon as you walk in here, like hours even after you put the Unstoppables in. Again, because this wasn't my first time doing it, but it's my preferred way. Here's the area I know I don't clean as often, and yeah, look at all of this dirt. Let me see if I can get a little closer to show you guys. Yeah, look at that. That is just disgusting. So let me show you guys what I'm going to do to fix this. Okay, so I took a Ziploc bag and added some distilled white vinegar. I also added some water, and I am going to tie this around the faucets with a hair tie, yes, so it can stay attached while it soaks. And I'm gonna let this soak for like about an hour. Alright guys, so this been soaking for over an hour, and as you can see, the particles have came off, and they're just like sitting at the bottom of this like water packet. But yeah, this is how clean it is right now, so definitely looks better. But what we're gonna do to finish this off, can't get in the background, is we're gonna scrub this with Dawn and a scrub daddy. So I'm gonna finish this like that. Okay, so after checking this faucet and seeing how much stuff came off, I went through the whole house and checked the other bathroom faucets, and none of them looked as bad as this one. But yeah, look how good it looks now. It looks so much better, but we're gonna really give it a good cleaning with one of these scrub daddies and some Dawn. Guys, if you don't have a scrub daddy, I suggest you get a scrub daddy. These scrub sponges are like the real deal, okay? They are amazing. Get one. This faucet really looked brand new. Like, you would never known it was that dirty previously. Okay guys, so here is how my stove looks, and it has like caked on grease or watermarks, and I just don't even know what that white part is or what happened to that in the middle, but I'm going to be using some Easy Off to get the dirt off. And I know this is such a harsh chemical, but trust me, it gets the job done for your glass top stoves. But if you have a self-cleaning oven, do not use this stuff in your oven, guys. It will ruin the coating that's on your oven, and it won't be able to self-clean itself. But again, like I said, it's okay for your glass top stoves to get the little grease marks and all of that off. But yes, I didn't have to spray the back, but I just chose to spray the whole stove evenly. And again, I'm going to let this sit for 8 hours to completely dry before I begin to scrub it off. Alright, so it's 7:03. It's been about 8 hours, and here's how it looks. So I'm about to scrub it off. But again, if you do have more time, leave it on for more time. Or if your stove is worse, leave it on longer. So now I'm going to use these cooktop kitchen cleaning pads. One side scrubs, the other side shines and polish. But yeah, you always want to use a non-abrasive scrub when cleaning your glass top stoves, just so it don't get scratched and look like mine does in the middle. But again, I don't know where that came from or which one of us did that, but yeah, you see, you can't even see it when I'm scrubbing it. It's like just when it dries or something. If anybody can tell me what happened to this burner, please let me know in the comments. But you see, it's all coming off so easily. Like, this worked like magic, okay? So once I got done scrubbing the entire stove, I took a wet rag and wiped it all off. Then I added some Weiman stove polish to it to give it a good shine and polish with a microfiber cloth. And this is how it looks when the stove is all done and clean. But yeah, guys, from the faucet sinks to the grout to the stove, I felt like I learned a lot on how to clean my house better. Now I actually even found these grout brushes that you connect to the drill to clean your floors with. So I'm gonna order those off of Amazon before I do this whole entire floor. But yeah, like I said, I learned these items, these hacks or tips or tricks, and I figured I will pass them along to you guys. I hope they help, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.